Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video to my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel, which is Live as Mona B. It's always linked in the description box below, and it will be in the iCard section above. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to that channel, and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at MonaXBank. So as promised, I told you guys that I would come back and give you guys an update about how I feel about the Edge Booster Styling Gel. If you did not see the video, I did review this gel. I will link it in the description box below, and it'll be in the iCard section. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I highly request that you pause this video, go watch it, and then come back to this video. So I'm going to be giving you guys my final results. So I wore that bun for 2 days. Y'all know I don't keep styles in long because obviously I'm a hair channel and I do film multiple hair tutorials within a week. So I only wore it for 2 days. So I applied the gel on a Friday, and then remember I came back on camera on that Saturday and I showed you guys how my hair was molded down, and then I did my bun. So then I wore it till Sunday. So as far as the hold, y'all, it gives amazing hold. It held up. None of my hair fell down or anything like that, y'all. I was out in the hot 95-degree weather, y'all, and my hair didn't like fall down or anything like that. So this gel definitely will hold up for you. It will totally hold up. A lot of people are getting confused. Edge Booster has a gel, and they also have like a pomade, which they consider that to be their edge control. So a lot of people was getting confused about that when I was saying that this was a gel. They was like, if it was like edge control, because it is edge control. And I'm like, no, it's not, guys. This clearly says Stronghold Styling Gel. Okay? Stronghold Styling Gel. And then this is the pomade. So this is what the pomade looks like. And it says pomade on the end. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, it says pomade on the end. So these products are a lot alike, but they're definitely different because this one is way more thicker. I mean, this is on the thicker side from a gel, but it is definitely not the same consistency. And I will show you guys that right now. Because I don't know, I guess a lot of people was confused about that. And I'm like, no, it's a gel, guys. They have gel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some edge control. I'm going to put some edge control on this side of my hand. I'm going to put the gel on this side of my hand. So this is the gel that I just put on my hand. And then this is the edge control next to it. So this is the gel, that is the edge control. And as you can clearly see, they are two different consistency. The gel is a little bit more looser and the edge control is a lot more thicker. I don't know if y'all, hopefully y'all can see that good, but this is the edge control and this is the gel. It's weird because the gel did flake on me, but it only flaked on me in one spot, which was so weird to me. And I'm gonna insert some clips of showing you guys what my hair looked like that Sunday. So this is what my hair looked like that Sunday, and it only flaked on the back portion, which I thought was so weird, but it did give me a little flaking. It wasn't bad or anything like that. It wasn't a whole lot. All I would have had to do was spray a little bit of water to reactivate the gel and then, you know, just put my scarf on. But it did flake on me, and I still have yet to come across a gel that does not flake, but it did give me a little flake. I didn't use a lot of product, you know, on top of it or anything because I wanted to show you guys exactly how it worked. I would definitely still use this product. Now, I'm not 100% sure if I would recommend doing this for like twist outs on type 4 hair. Now, other hair types, I can't tell you what to do. But with my hair type, I definitely would not use this for twist outs or nothing like that. I feel like it is way too thick, and I just feel like with a type 4 hair, it's not going to do it justice. That's just my opinion. But hey, I mean, if you tried it on your type 4 hair with a twist out and it works for you, then by any means do it. But I just feel like for me, I would not be using this other than to just like lay down my edges or do buns and puffs and things like that. But I won't be using this for twist outs or anything of that nature. I feel like it's just too much of a strong hold for me to be using it for twist outs and things. But I definitely do like it. So I hope you guys like this update. I still really recommend it. It's a great product. It held up, y'all. It really held up. Like, I had to literally wash the product out. My hair would not fall down or come down on its own or anything like that. So the product is definitely bomb. So I just want to come in really quickly and give you guys that update. It does come in different like scents and everything, and this is the pineapple scent. So make sure you guys go and check out the video when I reviewed it. But I like it. It held up. If you want to do like a style, like a bun or something, you want it to last a week, that is definitely the gel for you. And also for those of you that tell me sometimes that you have a hard time finding a gel to actually lay your type for hair, then this is the gel for you, y'all, because it gives the hold is insane. The hold is insane on this stuff. Like, I've never seen nothing like it. Like I've seen, I feel like this gives more hold than Got to Be Glued gel. So you guys will definitely be seeing it here on my channel. So yeah, that is all I have for you today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.